In this video, we are going to take a look at the MetaTrader 5 interface. We'll look at the different buttons on the MetaTrader and what they are used for. This video is specifically for those that are coming in contact with the MetaTrader 5 for the first time. So you have to pay attention and get used to these different buttons, which is going to guide you in your trading journey. The buttons we are going to take a look at are this, this, and this. Then we also have some buttons on the bottom of the app. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. But we are going to begin with this. So what are they used for? That's what we are going to take a look at now. When you click on this button, it's going to activate the sales buttons. We have the buy and the sell button. By your right hand side you see the buy button, and by the left hand side you see the left button. This is going to help you in your buy and sell depending on the trade you want to enter. The next we are going to look at is this button. That button, when you click on it, is going to activate your or help you to set your buy and sell limit. We'll explain more about buy and sell limit in subsequent videos. Then you can deactivate it by clicking the button, and then this buy and sell button we discussed before, you can deactivate it by clicking on the button. Then the next in line is what you are seeing there, H1. That H1 stands for hour 1. If you click on the button, you are going to see other time frame: minute 1, 5, minute 15. We have minute 1, minute 5, minute 15. We have minute 30, that is 30 minutes. We have H4, that is hour 4 or 4 hours, and so on and so forth. Then that will determine, if you click on the M30 for example, you see, click on M30, is going to change the time frame to, or you're going to change your chart to 30 minutes chart. As you can see, it's loading. This is the 30-minute chart. Then if you click on 15 minutes, it's going to change it to 15-minute chart. Then the next button we are going to look at is these that look like N that is crossed. That this button help you to add indicators to your chart. If you click on this F here, sorry about that, it's going to open the different indicators in MetaTrader 5. So in our subsequent videos, we'll also talk about the important indicators we need in our trading journey. Then the next is the crosshair. The crosshair here, when you activate it, you see a cross. You can see a cross on your chart there. You can use it to calculate the number of pips. This will tell you the number of pips, or when you want to enter a trade, you want to calculate your your take profit and loss, how much is going to be your take profit, or how many pips you are going to get as your take profit, and how many pips for stop loss. The crosshair is going to guide you. We are going to discuss more about the crosshair in in our subsequent videos. Then the next is these three lines here. When you click on the three lines, it's going to open you to another window. This window here, you are going to have, you see your trade, your news, your mailbox, your journals, your setting, and so on and so forth. These are different windows. So for example, if you click on the top where you see have the top where you have this Deriv here, if you click there, it's going to open a different window. This is where you register your account with your broker. For example, if you click this plus sign, you can add another broker, can add another account that you have opened with another broker. For example, if you want to register your account, the account you have with another broker, for example, let's say FXTM is a popular broker. Then you see FXTM, yes, that is another broker. So just for you to click and continue your registration. So that is what is this is where we used to register any of our account with any broker. Then if you, as you can see, this is the account we register with this is the account we register with Deriv. This particular account, this is the one we register with Deriv. Then let's come to the down part of the app. The first we are going to, let's start from the left hand side. We have the quote. When you click on the quote, it's going to show you the different indices. Now, these are not all the indices, there are others, but this is the one Deriv has given you. You can add and you can remove. Then if you want to add, you go to the plus icon on top. When you click on the plus icon, you are going to see volatility indices. If you open it, you are going to see other indices. They are not among those ones you see in on your watch list. They are not there, so you can add. If I click on this volatility 25, you are not going to see it again. Where is it? It's not lost. It has gone to the where you have can see it here. It has come to your watch list. Look at it here, volatility 25. So if I don't want to have that particular indices among the ones to be among my watch list, because these ones here are the ones I am trading on, then what I will simply do is I'll click on this pencil icon. Then when you click on the pencil icon, you are going to see the delete icon and the plus icon. And because I don't want to have it, so what I will simply do is to click on the delete icon. You see what? Then I'll simply tick that particular one and then click delete. Then that one is gone. You have not deleted it from the app. You've just deleted it from your watch list. When you open the volatility again, when you go back to your volatility, you are going to see there. If you want to, if at any point you want to bring it back, you can bring it back to your watch list. Then you can also arrange your trade or these indices according to preferences. For example, remember in these videos our concentration will be on boom and crash, and we can see on the top of your watch list here, you are seeing volatility 10 index. Volatility 10 index. We are not going to do anything with that. So we don't want to, we don't need it. So what we are going to do is we can rearrange this watch list to suit the indices we'll be trading on. Now we'll do that in a subsequent video, but I want you to understand that this thing can be arranged according to, or can be arranged according to your preferences. The next one here is your chart. Is your chart. Look at your chart here. Then when you click on your chart, this is your chart. As I showed you previously when we were looking at the time frame, this is your 15-minute chart. Then you can increase it, expand it, can reduce it, and so on and so forth. Then this is your chart. Then the next is your trade. When you click on your trade, see, we've not started trading. That's why you are still seeing 10,000 as balance, 10,000 as equity, and then free margin. We are going to explain this in subsequent videos. Then when you enter trade, this is where you are going to see your trade. When you enter trade, this is where you are going to see your trade. As your trades are running, you will see them here. Then history, your closed trades, you are going to see them here. The trade you have entered for the day, you've closed them, you see them on history, whether loss or gain, you're going to see them here. Then if you look at the top here, you see something like calendar here. Yes, that will help you if you want to see your previous trade. Maybe if you want to see here is currently tick today. So if you've entered trade and you click today, you are going to see the trade you have done today. If you click last week, whatever you've done last week will all the trades you have done last week will display, and so on and so forth. Then the next one is your, this particular one, you have messages. Here you are going to see the messages from your broker. So when you click on it, you see the messages from your broker. We have not been given any message, so that's why the place is blank. Okay, before I go, if you open your chart, there is your chart, and top of the screen you see the blue circle there. On the blue circle there are different icons there. Then you have your 1 minute, you have your 5 minute, you have the 15 minute, you have 30 minutes, you have 1 hour, you have 4 hours, and then the different time frame, 1 day, 1 week, and then 1 month. Then if you click on any of the time frames, you're going to open the chart to that time frame. Then if it's your indicator is still here, where you can access your indicator. Then the crosshair is here too. Then you see your setting here. This is your setting. And then when you open this, let's go into let us open that. If you open it, you are going to see your different lines. I'm going to show you the different lines. Talk about your horizontal lines, your vertical lines, and so on and so forth. Then if you want, there are some that may not display, you want to add, you can see them, see all the lines you need. These lines are going to help you to analyze your trade, your vertical lines, your horizontal lines, your trending lines. We are going to make use of them as we proceed. So you go over your MetaTrader, click on the buttons, open them and access them. Then wherever you have issues, we'll have time to further explain. This is the end of the video. Thank you.